Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your main monitor or display on Steam PC. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option called Big Picture Mode located right beside your username. Go ahead and click on it. This mode transforms Steam into a console-style interface that's optimized for larger displays and makes it easier to configure display settings. After Steam switches to Big Picture Mode, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a menu button there. Click on it to access the main navigation options within Big Picture Mode. This menu serves as your gateway to all the important settings and configurations you'll need. From the menu that appears, you'll see a left sidebar with several options. Click on Settings from this sidebar. The Settings menu is where you can customize various aspects of your Steam experience, including audio, controller preferences, and most importantly for our purposes, display configurations. Once you're in the Settings menu, look again at the left sidebar. This time, click on Display. This section is specifically designed to manage how Steam handles multiple monitors and which screen your games will launch on by default. It's particularly useful if you have a multi-monitor setup and want to dedicate a specific screen for gaming. Now you'll see a button that says None. Click on this button to open up a drop-down menu. This menu will display all the available monitors connected to your PC. Take a moment to review the list and select your preferred gaming monitor from the options shown. Choosing the right monitor here ensures that all your games will automatically launch on your main display instead of appearing on a secondary screen. After you've selected your preferred monitor, you're almost done. Navigate back to the bottom left corner and click on the menu button once more. From the menu options that appear, click on Power. This will give you several options for managing your Steam session. From here, click Exit Big Picture Mode to return to the standard Steam interface. And that's it, you've successfully changed your main display monitor on Steam. From now on, when you launch any game, it will automatically open on the monitor you just selected, giving you a seamless gaming experience on your preferred screen. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.